is Sheng and I'm from Philippines. I currently live in Aurora, Zamboanga del Sur. I graduated with a degree of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English and Mathematics, minor in Computer. My experience was my own campus training for 6 months. I work as a private tutor for 5 years and I am a certified ESL teacher for 1 year. During my spare time, I don't wanna close my eyes, sing, dance, read books, watching movies. I do love communicating, learning, and teaching. Assuring the best quality of education I can serve you from beginners, intermediate, or even advanced students. In my class, I usually use a reward system like this, and I also use animals like this for kids. My goal is to help my students to achieve their greatest potential to speak the English language with confidence around the world. What are you waiting for? Come and see me and together we will build your reading skills, writing skills, speaking skills, or vocabulary skills. Hope to see you in my class. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.